It was released on Friday, July 16, after serving a total of 2 weeks behind bars. However, speculations are rife as to whether or not the DJ will perform on Dance All Night at the greatest reggae show on earth, Sunfest. In other news, stock sales rise again.
When it comes to the world of dancehall, few, if any, artists have had the impact as the legendary Vybz Kartel. The man, born Adidja Azim Palmer in Kingston, Jamaica, has single-handedly changed the sound, face, and space of dancehall, and is arguably the most popular dancehall artist in the world. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And do remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. The question is, of course, what is Vybz Kartel's net worth in 2020? How much money did the dancehall king make last year? Let's take a look at what we know. Vybz Kartel has made his money from his various business ventures. In addition to the royalties he's collected from his songs, Vybz Kartel is also a businessman and entrepreneur, and an author. He has investments in other businesses outside of the music business, including a brand of rum, a brand of condoms, a brand of shoes, and a brand of cake soap. He also created the reality show Teacher's Pet, and his autobiography was recently added to the Princeton University collection. Despite the fact that Vybz Kartel has had a series of legal problems, he still remains committed to releasing new music and engaging in new ventures. Recently, Vybz Kartel teamed up with his cousin, Sikka Rymes, for a new song called Heavyweight, and you can take a listen to the song that's gonna be in the top right of the screen. Despite his legendary status in dancehall, Vybz Kartel is not without his controversies, the most infamous of which are court-related. On September 29, 2011, Vybz Kartel experienced his first round of legal trouble when he was arrested for marijuana possession. After this arrest, he was subsequently charged with the murder of Barrington Burton, as well as illegal possession of a firearm and conspiracy. It was while he was sitting in prison waiting trial for the murder of Barrington Burton that he wrote his book, The Voice of the Jamaican Ghetto, Incarcerated but Not Silenced. The book was recently added to the Princeton University Library collection as well. Eventually, Vybz Kartel was granted bail for Barrington Burton's murder, but he was not in the clear. He was also charged with the murder of another associate of his, Clive Lizard Williams. Vybz Kartel was found not guilty of the murder of Barrington Burton on July 24, 2013. However, he would still have to stand trial for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. The trial began on November 18, 2013, and on March 13, 2014, he was found guilty by an 11-jury member 10-1 of the murder. The trial was considered the longest trial in Jamaica's history. After Vybz Kartel was found guilty of murder, he was sentenced to life in prison. However, he is eligible for parole after 35 years according to the judge in the trial. Several campaigns have sprung up in hoping that Vybz Kartel could be freed from jail sooner than the 35 years, but so far they have all been unsuccessful. His appeal was just this morning dismissed, meaning that his only chance to get out of prison is to have his case taken to the UK Privy Council. Fortunately, the dancehall community supports Vybz Kartel regardless, as evidenced by Vybz Kartel's net worth, which is, as of 2020, $2 million. Thank you again for joining me, guys. I really hope you found this video interesting or informative. If so, please do remember you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button, and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. I am Alex. Bless.
To slow the spread of this unprecedented and challenging health pandemic, we urge you near and far to observe the many calls for social distancing. We're doing the same, and we look forward to when next week